Hey everybody, it's Craig with Rest Ag and Auction. This is going to be that equipment trailer we're offering to you on auction time. Try to zoom out here a little more. So you see guys, all around heavy duty trailer. 3-axle. Tires are in pretty good shape. I would say this one's the worst. It's got a little wear there in the center. Otherwise the rest of the tires I would say are 75-80% all around. So it's a 15-foot deck to this point, and then where the beaver tail starts is another 5 foot, and then the ramps are just a little over 5 foot. Now keep in mind those fold up. We got a hitch in the back, mud flaps. Again guys, tires are in very good shape. Really nice equipment trailer, guys. Be great for a skid loader. If you got a little bit of dirt construction, you need to put a small backhoe, anything on there. Really nice, heavy built trailer.